Hey, welcome back. It's Mike from Louisiana. I appreciate you checking out this playlist called Beginner Basics of Real Estate that I made for all the noobs out there who are just getting started and need to just figure some stuff out. You know, there's no stupid questions, but sometimes there are stupid answers. And I want to make sure you get some good answers to your questions. Again, if you have anything that you want to ask further that I didn't cover in the video, feel free to leave a comment down below, but let's get into it. In this video, I want to talk about hard money lending. So you might hear that concept being talked about. Typically what hard money lending is, it's when somebody does not qualify to get a bank loan, or they can't, or they just don't want to use the bank's money, or sometimes they don't want to wait around for the bank's money, because a bank loan can take 30 to 60 to 40 to 90 days. Sometimes it can be a long process. And so hard money lending is an individual typically who has extra money laying around and they want to invest it with another investor. And so it's really an opportunity for you to borrow money and be able to do a project and not have to wait on a bank, especially if you're trying to make cash deals or if you're trying to flip a house. For example, let's say you find a house for $100,000 and you need $50,000 to repair it, and then you're gonna try to sell it for $200,000. Well, a hard money lender might say, hey, I will lend you $130,000 of the 150, and you put in the 20, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you finish that house and sell it and then pay me back. And then I'll be out and pay the hard money lender back. Now, the only thing about a hard money lender is that typically the fees are a lot higher than a bank. They are a lot higher than if you borrowed the money from Grandpa Joe. The hard money lender is typically going to want to get like a point up front. So on a $100,000 loan, that is $1,000 up front. Plus they might want a percentage of the profits, or they might want a percentage point every month. There's so many different ways that they can structure the deal. It's called creative lending for a reason. So on a hard money deal, the hard money lender will typically take first position on the mortgage on the property that you're buying. For instance, that same $100,000 house you buy, you are paying cash for it, so there is no bank, there is no lien holder. Now the lien holder is going to be the hard money lender. They're gonna be the guy that's gonna come in and take first position. So if something goes south and you don't finish that project, they are gonna have to foreclose on that project and take that house back, sell the asset, and recoup their money, which is perfectly fine, and that's the way it should be. So there is a high risk in hard money lending for them. So they are going to protect themselves by keeping the asset and by charging fees, because as we all know, the higher risk, the higher reward. I hope this answered a few of your questions about hard money lending. If you have more, please comment down below and ask away. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Again, this is Mike from Louisiana. Like the video, subscribe, and I've got other videos in the playlist, so check them out. Have a great day and God bless.